Welcome to Innovations in Health. I'm John DeSciullo. We're talking about the mini dental implant with my guests. Please welcome Dr. Donald Brockley and Dr. Ohono Gildersleeve from the Brockley Dental Center, Mini Dental Implant Center of America. Let's talk about the mini dental implant. 5 times less invasive, less discomfort, less healing time, less visits to the dentist, and less expensive. Dr. Brockley, show us why with a lower denture example that's not swimming around in the bottom of the gum anymore.
Well, it doesn't, John. What we do is we put 6 mini implants on the bottom. We take a denture, we put housings in, and then the denture just snaps right on, stays in place.
Stabilized, and that goop, that adhesive is gone. Now, odds are if you have a lower, you probably have an upper denture, and that taste is coming back with the foods we love here in Pennsylvania.
That's right, John. We do the same thing, put 6 mini implants on top, snap the denture in. But the nice thing is that we remove the palate so you're able to taste, and very retentive.
Dr. Gildersleeve, if God gave us our baby teeth and adult teeth, you're going to give us our third set with this cemented bridge.
Absolutely. So some patients don't want to take their teeth in and out, so this is a great solution for that. This is a cemented implant bridge. So it's cemented onto 10 to 12 mini implants. It's permanently cemented by the dentist, and you never have to take it in or out. No toothaches, no cavities, and they function just like a third set of teeth.
Yeah, and that looks beautiful. And if you have teeth in the back of your mouth that you have neglected, you shouldn't. Dr. Gildersleeve, show us how the mini dental implant will solve that problem.
Yes, we can replace 1 to several teeth with mini dental implants as well. So if you're missing teeth in the back, we would place 3 to 4 implants and then permanently cement an implant bridge. And the same for a front tooth. You're just missing 1 tooth. We can complete that with an implant and an implant crown, and they will match your natural teeth.
Made in America product, custom made just for you. See Dr. Donald Brockley and Dr. Ohono Gildersleeve at the Brockley Dental Center. Call them for an appointment, 724-200-4701, and online at brocklydentalcenter.com.